Right, what we've got today is a 1913 Rudge Multi. Believe it or not, one of these actually won the TT, ridden by Cyril Pullen at a speed of 49.5, I think. This one, we've done some light restoration on it for the guy, but it's come back with a sticky clutch, which if you watch, that's nice and clear now. Now these are the clutch plates. Quite a few in there. Right, it's a Rudge Multi because she's got 20 ratios for the gears. It's not a gearbox, it's like a Veromatic. It's a bit like a scooter really, twist and go. And what happens is this goes forward, that comes in. There's a bar there that goes through to the back wheel. This slides in and out to tension the belt as you go up the ratios. So what we got? Decompressor. We got a clutch, which we can lock on around this side. Got your front brake. That's your air, and that's your throttle. So it's quite an interesting bike, really. Shame we lost it.